I'm putting myself on blast again. Okay, I used to weigh over 400 pounds. A lot of you know this about me. And if there's one thing I don't play with, it's food, okay? No, this food addict could never. So the rules are, you don't touch my food ever, but I can touch yours whenever I want. Toxic trait, I know. My poor husband, let me just tell you. He knows at this point not to touch my food, but his food, completely fair game. Oh, you got a pizza? I'm gonna pick all the toppings off your pizza. That's terrible. Like, I would freak out on someone if they did that to me. But recently my dad made this delicious homemade pico de gallo, and I'm asleep. My husband comes to the bedroom. He says, I dropped your salsa stuff out of the fridge. And I'm like, would you pick it up? Like, I'm thinking like the jar of salsa. I cleaned it up. What do you mean? That stuff your dad made. I'm not gonna lie. I cursed him out. Like, you don't jack with my food, okay? I had a friend one time, like, we went out to eat. I was already getting mad because they were like trying to steal my food. This person just like picks off my plate and steals my food. Heifer, no you didn't. I had to cut a heifer off, okay? I don't play with that. Don't touch my food. My brother, we were kids. They thought it was funny to see my reaction when they would take my food. We used to make this popcorn chicken when we get home from school, and they thought it was funny to steal it. They always tell people about how I tackled a chair to get to them because they were stealing my food. Like, I don't play, okay? But yeah, my husband, he gets the brunt end of it a lot. We're gonna use the very one today. This morning, in fact, I was looking for this yummy goodness thing I want to take to work today, and I can't find it anywhere. And anytime I like cannot find food, my mind automatically goes to, heifer, you ate it. But he knows better, so like, I know better that he didn't do it. This protein chocolate swirl, it's low carb, was what I was trying to find. I couldn't find it, and I was all but cussing him out. And then my mom had given me these sugar-free sour gummy worms the other day. Couldn't find them. I accused him of eating them. I know better, but you know, they didn't grow legs and just disappear. Guess where I found the protein chocolate swirl and the sugar-free sour gummy worms that have been missing in the same cabinet together, hiding under the rest of my snacks. And it all but curses me now. I can't with this food addict that lives inside. I told y'all, it's a beast.